Hi students, in this tutorial you are going to learn how to create a database in MySQL within the PHP admin. So let us start with our XAMPP control panel. So first I will start my Apache server and then I will start my MySQL. Let us minimize this. Let us go to our browser and here you type localhost. So see here is my PHP MyAdmin. So click on this and here on the left side you can see the default database is present within the PHP MyAdmin. So let me first show you how many users are there within this PHP MyAdmin. So by default root is the user and it is not having any password, hence I could enter easily, and this root user has all the privileges such as create table, alter table, delete table, update table, and insert the data within the table. So let me first show you how to create the database. So see here, new is there. So click on new and here, right here, EMPDB. Okay, click on create and let me create one table within this particular EMPDB. So let us say I'll name it employee and I will create 3 fields within this employee table. So I'll put here the number of columns 3, then click on go. So now here first I have to decide what will be the column names or fields within this table. So let us say I'll put here EMP ID. Second field I will take employee name and the third field that I'm going to take is the job of that particular employee. So here the type I want it to be integer and say suppose length is 10 and I want this employee ID to be the primary key for this table. So I'll set it primary and I want it to be auto increment. So I will click this checkbox. Then second field employee name. So obviously this will be character. So I'll select varchar data type and here I will put 40. Then the third field job. So here I'll put varchar and here I will again put 40. Okay. Now after this you can see the SQL by clicking on preview SQL. Okay. Close this, then save this. So see here my employee table has been created successfully. Now let me insert one row within this. So you can see here insert tab. So select on this insert tab. So here you can insert as new row. So it is asking me how many rows I want to insert. So at the bottom I will select one row. So say suppose employee ID, it will be auto incremented and by default it is primary key, so I'll leave it. Then employee name, say suppose I'll put here John and job to be say suppose general manager. Then click on this go button. You can also see the SQL by clicking on preview SQL. Just click on go and here you can see that the John row has been inserted successfully. Now if you want to see this, you can click on the browse button and here you can see that the John record has been added into this particular table. So this is how you can create database in PHP MyAdmin and here you can successfully added one table within it and added one row inside this employee table. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to write the PHP code to connect with this database EMPDB by writing the PHP code.